Alright, so I know right away, right in the beginning, that this video is not going to get a lot of views because it's not car audio, but I just want to take a minute and show you guys this new drone I got. This is the DJI Mini 4. And yeah, I've wanted a drone for a long time, but the one that I wanted was over $4 grand, and I was like, I'm not going to play with it very much, so for that much money, I better make sure that I'm going to play with it. This one, on the other hand, was $1,200. Out the door, had the controller with the screen on it and everything. Didn't have to worry about using my phone. Use my phone for other things while I'm doing this. Let's take first flight. Now, of course, you know Roscoe
get out of the way.
Always in the way. Roscoe, get away. All right, so let's go. Let's see what happens here.
No, Roscoe, no! No!
Home point updated.
So once you take off with this thing, it knows exactly where it took off from. It sets its home point. So like if you get lost in the forest or wherever you're at, or if you're running out of battery, you hit the button, send it back to the exact same point that it took off. It's a real handy feature for someone new to drones like me.
We're out in the forest. I'm heading over to Rogers.
Yeah, heading over to Rogers. Let's fly over the neighborhood real quick and see if I could even find where Rogers' house is at. It's kind of hard with all these trees in the way. Got our little neighborhood lake over here. It's not really a lake, it's more of a giant pond, but it's a lake nonetheless. There he is. What's up, Raj? What's happening? Yeah. I asked for permission to post this, so you know, I'm not trying to violate nobody's privacy. We're just playing around a little bit, trying to learn the drone. Roger's cool. Shout out to the Reinhardts. All right, so here we go. We're gonna take off. See how far I can go on my first little far flight. So I start to get nervous a little bit when I see 1,000, 2,000 feet approaching, and I'm not sure how far it's going to go. But I know that I'm in the forest. I'm kind of in the hills and the canyon, so I'll probably lose signal. This thing is supposed to be good for 20 km, which is like 12 miles. But I think you need to be in the wide open, clear desert or something with no obstructions at all, because I got about less than a mile away and it started telling me I was losing signal. So as you can see, the area that I live in, the trees are a big problem. So we're gonna go ahead and chalk it up to the tree thing. So I brought it home because it was losing signal and I panicked. It is what it is. So we're back home, we're safe. Yeah. Try to fly down here at the bottom of my hill. Get a little view of the pad from down here. Yeah. Now this camera is so steady, it's ridiculous. And it also has avoidance, like obstacle avoidance. So I just went around that tree, it won't hit it. It shouldn't hit it anyways. Take like a little trip up here, see what's going on. Yep. Yeah. So far, I'm getting pretty good at this. I'm getting braver by the day. Learning how to fly it. Learning how not to lose it, but you never know. So, hey, this is my first flight. And I'm out. Roscoe, get away.